Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are cooking karaage. Karaage is Japan's answer to fried chicken. Light and tasty with a crispy exterior and soft chicken meat inside. Karaage is one of Japan's most popular foods across age groups and prefectural borders. Today we will show you how to make this crispy, juicy and flavorful fried chicken. So let's start cooking! First, remove any excess moisture or fat from the chicken thighs. If they are not bite-sized, cut them into roughly 3 cm cubes. Make small holes in the surface with a fork or bamboo skewer. Start marinating the chicken. First, massage honey into the chicken. Honey helps the chicken retain moisture, keeping it tender during cooking. Then add soy sauce, sake, garlic, and salt. Marinate for about 10 minutes. You can even prepare this step the night before if you are short on time. Place the potato starch in the plastic bag and wipe off the marinade from the chicken using a paper towel before placing it in the bag. Shake the bag well to evenly coat the chicken with the potato starch. By inflating the bag with air and then shaking it, you can ensure an even distribution of the potato starch all over the chicken. Heat the oil to 160 to 170 degrees Celsius. The right temperature can be checked by seeing if bubbles form around wooden chopsticks. Fry the chicken in batches to prevent the oil temperature from dropping. Fry for 3 minutes until the sizzling sound diminishes. After this, we will be double frying, so it's not necessary for the chicken to be fully cooked through at this time. However, a good way to check if it's sufficiently cooked is by picking up a piece of karaage with chopsticks. If you can feel a vibration in your hand, it indicates that it's been cooked. Remove the chicken and let it rest for 3 minutes. This allows the residual heat to cook it further. For the second fry, increase the oil temperature to 180 degrees Celsius. The oil is ready when the bubbles around the chopsticks are larger and form more quickly. Fry the chicken for 20 seconds. Check the vibration through the chopstick to ensure it's cooked. Drain the excess oil and serve the karaage on a plate with salad. It tastes great with lemon. The outside is crispy and the inside is juicy. The soy sauce base gives a strong and delicious flavor. Although we use the chicken thighs, breast meat works well too. I personally prefer thigh for their tenderness. Let's look over what we used today. Thank you for cooking along with us and making this delicious karaage. We hope you enjoy the crunchy outside and juicy inside of this classic dish. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment. Stay tuned for more tasty recipes from Japan. Until next time, happy cooking! Bye bye!